What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, we do have a price prediction, price update on this cryptocurrency called DIA. So if you're watching this video, you probably know what's going on with this crypto. It's gaining a huge amount of value over not even the last 24 hours, but I'll probably say over the last hour to 2 hours. It has gained a massive 27% up in value, going to $1.24. So it is a highly requested video. A lot of people have been asking me what's going on with DIA, what is causing this huge price increase. Is it a good time to invest? Is it a good time to sell? Should you wait for a dip? So on and so on. So that is exactly what I'm going to be going through today, giving you guys my take on it, my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and also overall in 2022. Is DIA a good investment? Is it, should you avoid it? Should you get into it? And what potential return can it give you over the long run as well as a short term? Because I know there's a lot of short term traders as well, and a long term. I'm a long term trader myself. But yeah, before I get into any of that, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you can clearly see, the market is down nearly 3% over the last 24 hours, but DIA is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. But as I mentioned earlier, most of it came from literally the last, let's have a look, 3:50 p.m. So about the last 2 to 3 hours. So the current value is $1.32, and let's have a look at the weekly chart. It has gone up 26% over the week and 9% over the month. We can see some major dips back in January, and most of February was fluctuating at just about the 90 cents to the $1 mark, dropped back down and suddenly went from 99 cents all the way up to, let's have a look here, $1.64, but currently has dropped back down a little bit, and even in the last hour itself it has gone up a massive 30%. So we've got the market cap here of $78.1 million, the volume in the last 24 hours $61.6 million, and we've got a massive 53% sell, meaning a lot of people are selling the crypto right now, but there's more sellers than buyers. But we've still got minority of the people buying into the crypto. And a thing is that a lot of people, as soon as they see a crypto doing a huge increase in value, they start buying it, which I have done before when I first started trading, and yeah, it wasn't a good idea. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Most of the time, I would say personally, it doesn't work, because as you can see here, literally dropped, went up to $1.64 and dropped all the way down to $1.32 at the moment. So that is a 30 cents lost per coin. So depending on how much you've bought when it was at its highest point, you're probably on a loss at the moment, depending on when you've invested into it. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 550% in the last 24 hours. Well, I just refreshed the page and it's gone up to 767% now, meaning as I'm recording this video, more and more people are trading this crypto, getting into it, buying and selling. But as we saw on the previous screen, there's way more sellers than buyers at the moment. But yeah, before I get into the price prediction, guys, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit 50k subscribers, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And also, just to make it clear, there's not going to be at least 3 winners for this giveaway. Now I thought, let me give each and every single one of you a higher chance of winning. But again, there'll be more details revealed closer to the 50k target. And also, before I go into the price prediction, I want to find out what your predictions are for this crypto. So if we zoom out, go on to the weekly chart, we can see that the highest number of value that this crypto has gone to was $5.77, and this was back in last year around May time when it hit this all-time high. So can DIA hit a new all-time high, and if so, what price target can it hit? If not, what's your highest target that you think DIA can hit, or will it drop back down in value? Comment down below. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So at the bottom here, we've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the candlestick pattern chart showing us how DIA has been performing, which, yes, it does look like a pump and dump token. As you can see, pump and then dump. However, we'll get into it and see what it really is, what's the project all about, and if it really is a pump and dump token, or is it one of the stable ones. So We also got this SMA indicator running across the chart here, as you can see, and at the moment the SMA indicator shows us the average value is 0.9946. However, it is currently trading at $1.22, which is way above the average, meaning it is performing very well, and it is overperforming, shall I say. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are both going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning increases in value are expected over the next couple of hours. So I'm talking about very late today and very early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall increase in value on DIA. However, that is not always the case, guys. If you guys have been following me for a while and have been following me on Instagram, you would know that I've always mentioned this. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, just like this one, in a short amount of time, it has to come back down. It will drop back down in value, and that is exactly what's happening right now. It is slightly taking a little breather, coming back down in value, and it has not come to an end. Do expect this crypto to probably drop back down to about $1.10 to 15 cents over the next couple of hours before it hopefully goes through another, I wouldn't say bull run, but another increase in value, hopefully towards the end of the day today, and it will be fluctuating around the $1.20 to $1.30 for the rest of the day today. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? Still looking bullish, still looking positive, and the lines are very steep as well, as you can clearly see. The only reason for that is this crypto was literally fluctuating at a low value, and out of nowhere we've seen a major price increase. So the graph is like, yeah, it's just going to keep going up, it's going to, you know, go for another bull run and so on, but that is not always the case. And yeah, I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming days. So by the end of this week and early next week, we should expect a slightly lower value than $1.21, and as I mentioned before, probably hitting $1.10 to $1.15 by the end of this week, and probably fluctuating around that price target by early next week as well. But again, if you guys want regular updates on DIA, comment down below how often, once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, whatever it may be. Let me know and I'll upload according to how many videos or updates you guys want to see a week. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? We are still looking bullish, guys. The blue line is still going in a positive direction, and so is the orange line. However, the blue line is much more clear, is much more steep, which means overall it looks like it is going to be going up in value. But again, as I mentioned earlier, the only reason it's doing that is it was flat out for most of the time, and we've seen a huge peak in value. So it's like, yeah, it's definitely going to go up, but it is very likely it's going to drop back down in value. But it is it's quite early to judge on that. So by late February to early March, we should expect it to fluctuate around the $1.10. However, if there are any major updates or major news that could have a potential effect on DIA, either in a positive way or a negative way, I'm going to try and keep you guys updated as much as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And again, more updates will be coming very soon. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subscribers as soon as possible before I do the giveaway. And before I end the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment and all of that, you know the drill. And I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should either be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.